This is a 2009 Chevrolet Silverado. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include dual power seats, Bluetooth cell phone integration, XM satellite radio, a 4-wheel independent suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a lift assist tailgate, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and this vehicle has less than 36,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Carricker Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1201 South 17th in Oskaloosa.